Hello everyone, welcome to Phone Repair Hub. In today's video, I'll be replacing the complete housing of an iPhone. This damaged device was sent to us by a repair shop, and we're going to restore it step by step. So without wasting any time, let's start the repair process. One quick note, everyone, I didn't install the power button and volume flex cable because they were already damaged. I informed the repair shop about the issue before starting the repair, so they're aware that those parts need to be replaced separately. If you enjoyed this repair and want to see more real smartphone repairs, teardowns, and restoration videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Phone Repair Hub, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.